Hey friends, if you wish to manage certificates and keys in Microsoft Edge for secure connections, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner and select secure settings. Now search for certificates and hit enter. Go to manage certificates and you can disable or enable them, and then you can check for imported certificates if you're importing the certificates, or export them. And then you can also manage imported certificates from Windows. I mean, one thing is viewing them and one thing is managing them. Okay, so this is the case. You can manage your certificates through this option, and then you can go to the your certificates section. You can check for the imported certificates, and you can also manage imported certificates that are your certificates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.